In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable mature content from being displayed on your Substack account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to filter your account such that no mature content will be displayed, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your Substack account. And then once you're logged in, go to your profile icon on top. And from here, scroll down to settings. Now under settings, scroll down to privacy and safety. And under this, if you move down here, you can see you have filter explicit content. You're told if enabled, then explicit images and publications will be automatically hidden. So currently it is hidden. However, if it was turned on, it means the content has been allowed on your account. So to disable mature content, make sure that this option is turned on. If this is turned on, now you'll be saved from mature content from being displayed on your profile. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.